Understanding Absa Bank fees and charges is essential for effective financial management. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, it is crucial to know the types of fees and charges applicable to your account. These include monthly maintenance fees, transaction fees, and ATM withdrawal fees. Monthly maintenance fees are charged for the upkeep of your account, while transaction fees apply to debit orders, transfers, and other transactions. ATM withdrawal fees are charged for using ATMs outside your bank's network. Next, you need to determine which fees apply to your account type. Absa Bank offers various account options, each with its unique set of fees and charges. For instance, the Absa Transact account has a monthly maintenance fee, while the Absa Gold account offers more benefits but at a higher monthly fee. To avoid or minimize fees, it is vital to understand your account's terms and conditions. Read through your account agreement to know what you are being charged for and how you can reduce these charges. For example, you can reduce ATM withdrawal fees by using ATMs within your bank's network. Another key concept is the importance of monitoring your account activity. Regularly check your account statements to ensure you are not being charged incorrectly. If you notice any discrepancies, contact your bank immediately to resolve the issue. In addition to understanding fees and charges, it is essential to practice good account management. Set up debit orders for your monthly payments to avoid late payment fees. Also, keep a buffer in your account to avoid overdraft fees. Best practices for managing Absa Bank fees and charges include regularly reviewing your account statements, minimizing transactions, and taking advantage of your bank's rewards program. By following these steps and being mindful of your account activity, you can effectively manage your Absa Bank fees and charges and make the most of your banking experience. In conclusion, managing Absa Bank fees and charges requires a thorough understanding of your account terms and conditions, as well as good account management practices. By knowing the types of fees applicable to your account, determining which fees apply to your account type, avoiding or minimizing fees, monitoring your account activity, and practicing good account management, you can minimize unnecessary charges and maximize your banking benefits.